Welcome to the red carpet. The atmosphere is as fiery as the red carpet itself. We've got celebrities everywhere. It's awesome. So right now we've got the one and only Big Dreamer. Give it up for him. Hey!
How you doing, son?
I like your swag. I like your swag. So tell me who you're wearing.
Today I'm wearing me. Actually, this is Cowgirl itself with the Puma shoes, rocking live. You know how we do.
I see, I like.
Swag. I call it fancy swag.
Swag, we like that. No, you should make me part of your line.
Yeah,
I can rock that swag.
You look like a model.
So anyway, how do you feel? The atmosphere is pumping today, so tell me, how do you feel?
I feel amazing. I mean, it's not every day you get a Motswana being nominated like this. I mean,
That is very true.
It's deepness.
Yes, I'm glad to have people from Botswana supporting you. I'll be your biggest fan. So yeah, guys, that's the red carpet. It's awesome. Peace.